It's Griffin and Zach, and today we're making mini apple crisp in a jar. Flour. Brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Booyah.
Booyah.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Cinnamon.
Put it in. Mix it up.
Mix it up.
Oats. Flour. Little more, little more, little more. Little more. All gone. Butter.
Butter. No more butter. No more butter.
Are you eating butter? Ugh. Mash it together. No, yucky. Ah. Scoop them in the jar. There you go. Butter on top.
Butter top.